Morning. I'm heading down to the what's left of the garden, and we're going to do some harvesting for the farmstead this morning. It's probably about 8ish, 8:15, 8:30. I ain't got my watch on. Left the water on again. But we're going to start down here with okra, and I'm going to see if there's any eggplant. And God, it's rough up here. And then we'll do the peppers. Tomatoes and cantaloupe. That's probably about it. That's about all I got. You can see down here. This is our main garden, and I've mowed over, and there's not much left. Right here's the okra. Here's the eggplant over there. I was hoping to get some more. Cucumbers and some beans, and we'll go over and check, but I'm not holding any hope. Then over there on past there, and I got some over in here. I got some watermelon, and I got another row and a half of cucumbers coming. I had some squash over there. Something's killed it. I don't know. But we're gonna start off with some okra, and I see some of it. Had a tough year. And we've had some pretty good rain here lately, so I mean, I ain't got no excuses.
Boy, it's extremely dewy this morning.
I've had quite a bit of okra before, and enough where you can sell it in bulk, but not this year. It's finally getting some good height on it where we don't have to bend over so bad. You gotta watch, boy. You walk right by them and miss them. All right, that's it for it. Let's grab a few eggplants. Eggplants don't sell very well. I got maybe 2 cups. They're not even worth fooling with. But gotta do something. Here's how much okra I got. Not very good, but the eggplant's about played out too. Well, I don't know. I got a bunch of blooms on here, so we'll see how it goes. For the most part, I picked it pretty heavy last week. There's one not quite ready. Pick it. I need to get one more. 'Cause I sell them two for $1. And these up here got a ton of blooms on them. I guess that's good. We'll keep going. And the ones in the middle kind of played out. Let's just take this one. It's really not big enough, but yeah, that ain't no good either. All right. I'm gonna go over and check and see if there's any cucumbers. I doubt there is. I'm gonna look. Peppers are about my only bright spot left, so let's go through here and see what we see. I hope there's a few bales today. Oh yeah, here's some. They're kind of small, which is fine. That means they'll be getting bigger. I feel like every time I pick peppers that knock, God, this is a nice one. They knock blooms off. Yeah, here's a nice one. Yeah, I think these are gypsies. And I really like these peppers. Oh, we got some bananas. Let me get those. Got some cayenne. They're coming on. Shoot. I don't know. I might wait on them another week. I don't know though. I don't know what that is. Now this is a sport pepper. Red cherry. Let's see if we can find some good jalapenos. Some average size ones. Yeah, look at these old vines. God, I hate these vines. Look at these things. That's what I'm talking about, these big old jalapenos. Look at that thing. Huge. All right, let's go get some tomatoes. Now, these are tomatoes I got. Not very many considering I was probably getting 4 of those red baskets a day there. That's just 2 weeks ago. So they're about played out. There's still a few green ones in there, but not many. So the days of the big, beautiful, round tomatoes are pretty much over with for this year. I do have potatoes. I don't know if they sell or not. But, I don't know. I'll talk to Allison about that. Let's go up here and see if we can get some cantaloupe. Allison's Indian corn starting to look pretty good. Look how tall this one is. It's starting to tassel a little bit. So, we got a few there. I mean, that's kind of what she wanted anyway. She wanted the Indian corn and plus she wanted the stalks. So, these stalks are going to be big enough for her to cut those and let them dry, for decorations. That's what I'm talking about. All right, let's see if we got any cantaloupe available. I think I see some of these Hell's Jumbos ready. Yeah, that's nice. That's really nice. I just pulled right up. Oh, dadgummit, that was rotten. This one's good. That slipped right off there. I guess that's what they mean by full slip. Still got a bunch of blooms on it. This is the only one I see of this one, but there's a lot of them in here. They're just not ripe yet. They say full slip. It's kind of always confusing. Yeah, I'll put that and split. But then again, I'm easily confused. This one's a good one. Yeah, this one's bad. Shoot. This one's bad and this one's bad. Not bad. It's just that probably got overripe and get kind of soft. You can eat around that. And I do all the time. Some people don't know that. Well, you can't sell them. Two more there. I'm gonna find my knife. Let's cut this one open. Oh, it cuts like butter. Look at that. And that's if I clean my knife. See what I mean? It's got a little bad spot right there, but we just cut right around that. Boy, if I had smell-o-vision right now. Some of the dirt off of it. Let's see what it tastes like. I just tell you right now, this is gonna be good. Oh my Lord. Oh my Lord. All right, I'm gonna eat this one. Turn the camera off and eat this one because I'm just gonna eat it. All right. Ooh, boy, that was good. That was refreshing too. All right, I'm gonna walk down the rows here and see if I can find any more. And gosh, look at that thing. This might be better than the thing. I don't know. It's close. It is so good. All right, I'm gonna walk down through there and see if I can find any more, and then I'll show you what. I ended up getting 4 more. They're all played out, so I'll bush hog with that. Only thing I got left is these up here, these heirloom ones. And I'm really surprised how good they are. They're doing pretty good. Got a lot of blooms still, got a lot of greenings, so not a lot, but I'm having a few every week. So that's pretty much it. Kind of slim pickings for the farm stand, but I can only do what I can do. Hopefully, probably tomorrow I'm gonna start seeding our broccoli and stuff, or cabbage or broccoli. I'm gonna start some more squash and zucchini. But I'm actually gonna put it in a tomato high tunnel. I'm gonna start ripping some of them out because they're all dead. There's not very many tomatoes left. And we'll plant some more beans. Then we'll come up here and clear this out and plant some, okay, come up here and plant them up here. Plant some beets and some collard greens and some turnip greens. No turnips, just turnip greens. And might throw some rashes in there, I don't know. We'll see. All right, appreciate you watching. I'm gonna go put this all in the, get the store ready, and we got that air conditioner there. I let that air conditioner, I turn it down way low and let it run for about an hour. I can put all this stuff in there overnight because it gets down. I mean, it get like 60 degrees in there, which is pretty good for vegetables, I think. So I got 2 I'm gonna give away, 2 cantaloupe, and I don't know, I got just a few to sell, so might be a rough day tomorrow. We'll see. All right, appreciate you watching. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, support your local farmer. Hey, you want to know more about market gardening, just gardening in general, chickens, pigs, sheep, high tunnels, small farms. Hey, check out my videos. I got like 600 videos you can look at. I got probably something on just about everything you can think of. Plowing, tilling, tractors. Bought a compact tractor and I sold it, and then I bought a 53 Ford, and it's one of my favorite tractors now. So we'll be harvesting potatoes maybe in a day or 2, and I'll show you that, how we do, and then we'll plant the other stuff. I got to fertilize the mums today. I wish I knew what time. I didn't bring my watch, so we'll do that after a while, and I'm gonna fertilize them peppers one time. I put fertilizer before I plant them, but I'm gonna give them a little shot there. I think they need it. And I'm real happy with these heirlooms, and they take, seem like they take twice as long. I planted these the same time as the other ones. The other ones are done, I mean, I harvested a ton of those things, and matter of fact, we filled this whole back up, and these are just now starting. But I planted them at the same time. Yeah, go figure, huh? All right, appreciate you watching. I'm rambling. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Support your local farmer. I'll see you down here in the farm next video.